Hey everyone, so we're back to the coffee table today. So I've got my cuppa and I've got this bad boy here. It's a cracking coffee table book, Commodore 64, Visual Compendium. So if you grew up in the 80s with this computer, it's a fantastic pixel art book by Sam Dyer. He's done a great series of these books, so I highly recommend them. It's a perfect coffee table fodder. This is almost 500 pages long, so it's an absolute beast. So yeah, without further delay, let's have a look through this bad boy. There's the contents, game after game after game that you will probably remember growing up as a kid. Obviously today these graphics are extremely primitive, but that's the entire charm of it. And when put into print in a book like this, the images just really pop off the page at you. Zaxxon, remember that? Bruce Lee. Space Taxi. Strip Poker. A sizzling game of chance. Some features on the magazines in here as well. So I'm missing a lot of pages here. Kickstart, remember that? That's the try. Because yeah, I'm missing a lot of pages here because I don't want to show you everything in the book. Plus it'll take too long to show you. Because as mentioned before, this book is massive. Look at that artwork, fantastic. Great photography close-ups of the Commodore 64 there. IK Plus, Kickstart 2. That's a very similar game to recent game on the current gen of consoles called Trials Fusion. Yeah, very similar to Trials Fusion. Nebulous. Some more brilliant artwork here. Barbarian, remember that? Chop people's heads off. Some really good cover art. Shinobi, arcade conversions, plenty. Stunt car racer. Remember that more on the Amiga than on the C64, if I'm honest. Classic image, obviously Dizzy. Rainbow Islands, fantastic. All great cover art. Map of Dizzy there, Fantasy World Dizzy. Turrican 2. I think the video really is not doing the artwork justice here. This book is absolutely outstanding. So yeah, I think we've seen enough there, guys. Fantastic book, Bitmap Books. So you can get it from that website there, or indeed you can get it from funstock.co.uk. This absolute beast of a book. You can see how thick it is. If you want something quirky for your coffee table and you grew up in the 80s with these kind of machines, or this one in particular, by all means pick it up. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Cheers.